Here's what comes in the 6-piece set. You get one rear storage, one cup holder, one secret compartment, one center console tray organizer, one front console tray organizer, and then you get these liners for these. One thing to note, these are the liners. On the back of the liners, you'll see other things. You just peel these off. So this one goes in your center console. You peel these stickers off and then they go in those trays. So make sure you do that before you install them. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to install is the front organizer. Very simple. Drops in like that. So it still shuts. So you can open it. Then you can open this. Keep whatever you want there. Wallet, sunglasses, whatever works best. Also, there's a hole right here. What that is for is there's two USB-Cs down here. You can pull a cable through there if you need to use it for something, which is a nice touch. Next one to install is the center or your armrest tray. This just slides in like so. You still have access to your 12-volt port. And then unlike this one that slides forward, if you do need to get in it, I just grab right here, pull out, you can access that stuff. So it just makes it easier to find little stuff that you need very easily right here. Cup holder's pretty self-explanatory. Just drop it in. It works better if you've got smaller cups. If you've got bigger cups, you might want to take it out, but you can just pop it out like so. So pretty self-explanatory. It matches pretty well too. And then this piece here, the secret under seat storage, you just want to make sure that you're pulling down. You're going to want to make sure you pull down on the drawer. So you're going to take off this plastic to reveal the sticky side and install it. Got the tape off, and I'm just going to drop it in because this is real sticky, so you only kind of get one shot at this, and then just push it until it's flush, and then just kind of go around and hold it and make sure it's in, and you're good to go. And when you push it in secure, it kind of like almost snaps into place, and that's what it looks like. Now, it's not this easiest thing to open, but it's not difficult, but it's a secret compartment. You're not going to be in it that much, so you can keep cash, whatever. If you're going somewhere you don't want to bring your wallet, put it in there, but it's a nice addition to this set. Now for the under seat storage. So I've got these Tasmanian mats in, which I like. Link in the description, I think, with 10% off, but I just put them right over top of the crappy Tesla ones. So the problem with this is there's a big lip right here that's probably an inch. So getting this in is a pain, but once it's in, you're probably not going to pull it out. So it's not going to just slide in like if it was the stock mat. So I'm going to just finesse this in and show you what it looks like when it's done. I can pull it out, so I can still get waters or whatever for the kids, and you can slide it back in. It's just that the farther you slide it out, the harder it's going to be to push back in one-handed. You can always obviously do it, but it's good storage to have underneath. You've got the room, you might as well use it. That's a quick review on the 6-piece DEDC Tesla Model Y storage system. Great system. Works for years 21 through 24 as of this recording. You don't need to spend more money on more name brand ones. $35, link in the description. Also a link to these Tasmanian mats and some other stuff. And if you're in the market for a Tesla, I've got my referral code down there. I think you get $1,000 off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, caw.